Hey guys, it's Lindsey. I'm the creative coordinator here at Bisque Imports, and we have a fun project for you again today. Woohoo! So this is our Lighted Firefly Gnome project. So this is one of our newer pieces. It's the Lighted Contemporary Gnome. It's really awesome because gnomes are always hot and lighted things are always hot. So we kind of merged the two together to make this glorious piece. I painted little fireflies on here that light up in the cutouts, which is really fun and great for summer, but also, fireflies are cute all year round. So this is a good piece that, for adults and for kids for the whole year. So here are the supplies that you're going to need to create this project. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, so that's it. Look how awesome and cute it's gonna be. So I hope you guys had fun painting this project. Make sure to check out bisqueimports.com for a bunch of amazing products, and I'll see you next time.